Hello friends, today we'll be discussing on 2 points, freedom and comfort. So these are the 2 points we all aspire in our life. We want freedom to follow our passion and we want comfort on the journey to success. So let's start with the definition of these two terms. Now first, freedom means the power or the right to act, think or speak in the way one wants. And comfort means freedom from pain and constraint. Now the question arises, why these two terms only? So basically, these two terms are the defining factor of your career. Our 20s is all surrounded with questions like what is your purpose in life? Whatever you're going to do, is it going to make a social impact? Is it going to bring a change in the society? And how are you going to be financially independent? And whatever you're doing, are you following your passion? So to get all the answers of this question, you need to first get the concept of freedom and comfort clear in your mind. Many a times we come across these words in our day-to-day life and people get confused between the actual meaning of these two words. Now freedom does not mean comfort. Freedom means to do whatever you like with full passion, determination, dedication and enthusiasm. Again, freedom does not mean to get comfortable. If you are following your passion, then you are certainly going to get comfort as a reward to whatever work you have done in your life. We all aspire for comfort, but we can get absolute comfort only when we get out of our comfort zone. When we get out of our comfort zone, we start pushing our limits. We know what are our actual potential. Now, believe me guys, discomfort gives you happiness and purpose in your life. Life itself is growth. If you are not growing, that means you are not living. You can't achieve growth unless you are pushing your limits. So freedom gives you an opportunity to push your limits, to hustle in your life, to succeed in your life. On every stage of life, we need freedom. We need financial freedom, we need freedom from fear, we need freedom from worries and tension, and especially we want comfort in life. So we want freedom without leaving our comfort. So friends, if you first start pushing your limits, you're going to get some freedom. And once achieve that freedom, you will strive for new freedom and start pushing your new limits. So friends, in this way, you always push your limits and get something without thinking of comfort. So this is the actual meaning of life. You do not stop learning. You always push your limits to learn something new and to gain something new. So friends, comfort can't buy freedom, but you can get comfort as a reward of this freedom. So if you give up your freedom, you are certainly going to get some comfort in life, but this comfort is not absolute. You have to consistently work for this comfort. As you have given up your freedom to someone else, he is using your freedom to comfort his life. And you are in a fake bubble of comfort. Now this bubble is definitely going to pop up sometime in future. So be prepared for that. Let's say the other way around. If you are giving up comfort at this point of time to follow your passion, to get freedom, you are certainly going to get this comfort at some point of time in future as a reward of all the hustle you did and all the efforts you took. You all have the option to leave all the worldly comfort and follow your passion. Now that will be freedom for you. Once a free man can't be trapped in this illusion of comfort. He or she will always strive for freedom and will get it anyhow. Now let's understand some rules of freedom and comfort. The very first rule is humans are given the power to do exchange of this freedom and comfort. If I am free, I will try to give freedom to others and I will try to give comfort to others, but in return, I will take their comfort or freedom. Second rule, and the very important rule, is no one can take your freedom and comfort without your consent. So it completely depends on you whether to exchange your freedom or comfort. Now the interesting thing about this barter system is freedom and comfort is not equivaluable for everyone. It depends on you, how much you value your comfort and your freedom. So in the end, it's your decision to go for instant gratification, to get comfortable in your life, or to strive for freedom, to work hard for freedom and eventually get that freedom what you want in life. Now, no great personality ever strive for comfort in their life. They always want freedom and they always wanted to give this freedom to everyone. Now, the very important point which come into picture is comparison. If you start comparing your freedom and comfort with others' freedom and comfort, you are not going to get anywhere. You have to use your path of freedom to get to your destination. Thank you for watching our video.